the season to be jolly. Oh, hi guys, it's me, Marty the Monkey. Well, it's finally December here. Yup. And you know what that means? That means that the holidays are finally here. Now, some people like the holidays about lighting candles, but for me, it's all about the one where some fat guy breaks into people's houses and takes children's snacks. Marty! What is it, Timothy? Well, he's back! What? I'll take care of him. He's not taking my midnight snack again. Ho, ho, ho. That's it, I'm finally... Alright, you're not taking my snack again. Oh, Haha, got it. So anyway, I love Christmas. In fact, I find it to be one of the greatest times of the year. But there are some people who really just find Christmas a bother, like it's a commercial holiday. We'll take Doc Baxter, for instance. I remember what happened the first time we celebrated Christmas with him.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Why not?
No.
Come on, Doc.
No.
Okay, so you're not willing to go down to the streets of New York wearing a dress?
No.
But why?
No.
Mike, come on, you can help people with Christmas. Speaking of Christmas,
I don't
Doc,
care about Christmas.
When are we gonna celebrate, you know, have like a big party and everything?
I just said... No Christmas.
No
I don't believe in
Christmas.
Christmas.
Wait, where are you, Jewish?
No, I have no religion.
You have no religion.
Yes.
So you're just like the Hitler of Christmas.
No, nothing. We're not celebrating anything.
Well, then I wouldn't go to your house if I were you.
What did you do?
Well, it's not what I did. It's what me, Timothy, Brenda, Larry, and Charlie kind of paid for. Well,
That would include you.
yeah, you might want to go to your house and see what's going on.
Okay, then I will.
Oh, I just love Christmas. It's so beautiful. Yeah. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
So what did you and Marty and everyone do to the house?
Timothy, Doc here thinks that we decorate his house with Christmas stuff. That's not right, right? Huh? Did we decorate yourself with Christmas? Oh yeah, Doc! We made it so that wherever you look, there's Christmas.
What?
Yeah. Doc. Thanks a lot, Timothy. What? We got a Scrooge here. Oh, he heard us. Okay, well maybe he'll be happy. Happy, come on! Has he been happy this whole past few months that we've lived here? I know. Oh well. Well, let's just see what's going on. Alright, Timothy, let's go see.
Like, hello, Doctor! Hello, Doctor.
What is this?
Dude!
What is this?
It's Santa Claus, Doctor.
God. Yeah, Doc, we kinda got you a snowman that needs a hug.